Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to use Shopify, a beginner's guide. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So Shopify is basically used to create stores and sell products. I'm going to be giving you a quick demo. You can see I have my online store going on where I want to sell my gaming products. I have my products showing up in here. I have my navigation menu. You can easily add your products using this products option, and once you add your products in here, they will be showing up into your list while you are editing your online store. You can add your inventory, purchase orders, transfers, gift cards. You can manage your customers from this customer section. You can add customers in here. You can see your content if you want to upload some media files, blog posts, web pages, recent entries, and everything is basically going to be added in here. You can also manage your finance, and if you want to simply edit your store theme, you can do that from online store in sales channel. From here you can customize your theme totally. It is really simple to do. I will be teaching you more about this in future. So you can see my theme is currently looking something like this, and each and every block is totally editable. So that's a quick walkthrough how you can use for beginners, and see you guys around in the next video. That is pretty much it for this one, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.